fashionistas, if you are looking for something quick, something simple, unique and classic for your Sunday airdrop, this style is a go-to for me, using our 2 colors jersey fabric. This is like a stretchy fabric. I just hold the 2 fabrics together, use my rubber band or hair tie to hold them together, just like this, and then I fold that folded part inward and take it to the back of my hair. Make sure that my hair is well packed together to conceal my hair under the scarf. I just make sure that scarf cover it around, and then I take the other color, arrange it, and then bring it forward on the other side, just like this. See the way I use it to cross it in front to form like a fish shape, and then I can use that one too to cover my hair at the back. That way everything is well secure. And now I'm just going to arrange it to the length of the visibility of the V of the 2 colors that I want. And I just make sure my hair is wet packed inside. And you can start with either color depending on how you want it to lay. So I'm going to start with this black one, and then I'm going to cross it slantly, like slant it over the red one like this, just to reveal that V format. And then I take it to the other side. Now, before I continue with the black, I'm going to do the same thing I did to the black with the red. So it's like whatever you do to the left side, you do it to the right side. And then I slant it and use it to form a V shape, you can see, and take it to the back. And that's how you achieve that V shape color. Now I'm done with the V shape color. I don't want it to be too much. That too is enough. I just twisted the 2 colors together loosely like this, and I bring it to the top of the scarf like this to form a arc, like a crown around the perimeter of my head, and then I tuck in the excess fabric. And that's it. You are good to go. Very simple, very easy airdrop style that you can tie for everyday look, for church, for work, even for Owambe event, and you will look super elegant and beautiful. And I just make sure my hair is well tucking at the back, and I'm good to go. What else do you think you can do? Where else do you think you can wear this simple airdrop to? Let me know in the comment section. This is a very simple turban airdrop style using 2 different color jersey material fabric. I just attach a bunch for more elegancy, and you are good to go. Isn't this beautiful? I hope you like this simple airdrop style. If you do, don't forget to give me a like, comment, share, and follow me for more simple airdrop tutorial. I upload airdrop tutorial on this page, African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle, every day. I love you all. God bless.